got a heck of a job today.
Huh?
I'm making a video.
Video for what?
Cuz
No, you're not using me for that video.
We got a heck of a job today. The old man done signed me up for something here. All of that's got to go. That's gonna be fun. And we got Mr. Bad Grade. He's got to help us too, since he likes to make bad grades in school. So anyway, boy, there's a cat in there. That's a heck of a mix. So got some gum trees. Oh, there's birds. Doves. Yeah. That's going, everything's going but the pine tree. So probably put it on a time lapse. We got a lot of work ahead of us.
Tell me, can you see the stars? We're just running forward in the dark. You knew just what my soul needed. Two hearts, we share the same beating. Is this what it feels like? Coming back to real, coming back to real life. Keep me in the same dream. Know what I'm missing, things so still wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for sign. But when I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Know what I'm missing, things so still wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for signs. But when I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Is this even real?
Show you guys what we're looking at. All that time, but it's how thick it is. What do you think, old man?
I think we done bit off more than we can chew.
Good thing this isn't pressing. Holy smokes.
I just wanna see the stars. Oh, and every step I take is in the dark. You knew just what my soul needed. The only thing that kept my heart beating. Is this what it feels like? Coming back to real, coming back to real life. Give me the same dream. Know what I'm missing, things so still wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for sign. But when I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real? Know what I'm missing, things so still wide awake. Only come out at night, but we're still looking for sign. But when I wake up, oh, I can't help but to wonder, is this even real?
Recording. Alright. We calling it quits for today. Show y'all what we got. Hang out there. I don't know how much you can see with the sun, but and I'll walk in there. You know, everything was all the way in here, and we ran out of the chain, quit working on the saws, and then the Rylan, come get the oil and the gas. The batteries died on the Sawzall. Granddad was using the Sawzall too, but like I said, everything was at least out to here. So we're going down the property line. We're gonna get a chipper, chip all the rest of it, chip all this stuff up. It's a pretty daggone big pile all the way down. We found these blueberry bushes in here, so we left those. Just gonna clean up around them. And this, anybody can tell me what this is. I cannot call it. I cannot call it. I know it puts out like a white flower. I cannot remember the name of it. But anyway, I'm gonna have to cut it short. Grumpy old man, he's ready to go. He'd give out. But probably upload this and then do like a update video when we come back and do the rest. All right, see you for now.